We are pleased to show you the 2020 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, heated front seats, security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.